waited on you for so long. Too many days since January, I'm still sitting here alone. We should've did this already. Said I got an email today. Kinda thought that you forgot about me, but I wanna hit you back to say just like you, I get